Grill eggplant. Set aside. Cooking oil. Sauté onion. Add potato. Ground black pepper. Add salt. Corned beef. Eggs. Ground black pepper. A pinch of salt. Liquid seasoning. Beat the eggs. Set aside. Cooking oil. Now cook the eggplant with corned beef on top. Just repeat the process. Done and ready to serve. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.